Please enjoy these aerial views of San Francisco. We spent a week in the Bay Area. These views were from our last day there. We start with the view of the Golden Gate Bridge, then the city skyline, the Bay Bridge, and Alcatraz, all on a crystal clear morning. Our next stop was just off Marina Boulevard, where we got a closer look at Alcatraz, the city skyline, and a different view of the Golden Gate Bridge. The next stop was to Alamo Square, where the famous painted ladies' houses are found. We discovered while walking in the area many of the other homes are painted this way. A really beautiful spot. We saw a night picture of the Palace of Fine Arts. Its dome splendor made it a must-see for us, and we were not disappointed. The evergreen trees you see around the structures are redwoods, a nice touch to the architectural plan. Please be sure to notice the city views as well. As you can see, the fog has started to come in on the Golden Gate Bridge. Our last stops were to Fisherman's Wharf and Ghirardelli Square. The boats you see in the foreground are available for charter to go fishing. In this clip, you can barely make out Alcatraz in the background. I didn't even realize I had captured it until I put this video together. Here you can see a streetcar station. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Perhaps consider subscribing to the channel. What do you think of this drone selfie?